Welcome to another episode of In the Field with McKim Creed. I'm Patrick Jehle, Regional Manager with our water group out of Pensacola and Project Manager for the new Soundside High School. McKim Creed's role on this project included both surveying and civil engineering. Surveying included full design topo across the 40-acre site and also layout services during construction. Civil engineering was full design, permitting, construction support, closeout, and certification. I'll take an opportunity to shout out DAG Architects for their great work on this project. This is an exciting job, being the first new high school built in Santa Rosa County in over 20 years. The need was driven by continuous growth in the southern part of the county. The new high school contains a primary building that houses 74 classrooms for those 1,000+ students, along with various other miscellaneous spaces. Also on this site is a multi-purpose field with a track and bleachers. We have softball and baseball fields with dugouts, a separate gymnasium building, and plenty of parking. The challenge comes from the geometry of the site, which is generally long and narrow and also bisected by an FPL transmission easement. From a stormwater perspective, this site was previously a flea market with a lot of open space and virtually no stormwater management. So again, with the limited geometry of the site, the need to provide robust stormwater management meeting all current rules and regulations, the fact that it discharged into a wetland, all presented challenges that our team were ready to attack. As you can see, we've moved indoors. We're now in one of the main corridors. This particular corridor services various ESE and vocational lab spaces. You see the progress that's been made. Morette Company is the general contractor on this project. Morette's a great friend of our firm and a longtime partner. We knew coming in that there would be success. What we didn't expect was Morette's ability to deliver this project months ahead of the original schedule. As you can see, this new high school is located on a busy DOT roadway, Highway 98 in the south end of the county. Not to mention the 1,000+ high school students that we're about to add to this roadway, certainly a new traffic signal was warranted. With the support of HSA Columbia, we designed and permitted through DOT a new signalized intersection. Another challenge presented by the FPL easement and lots of areas on the site, frankly, were the fact that it is open and nice sandy soils, which is perfect habitat for the gopher tortoise, a threatened and endangered species. A lot of times, gopher tortoises are the source of schedule delays. In the case of this project, working with UES as our environmental consultant and Morette Company, we were able to identify, mitigate, and relocate the gopher tortoise individuals with limited impacts to the early schedule. The storm pond behind me and all of the site infrastructure that you've seen was implemented through an early release site package, which was of great benefit to the district and its desired schedule. McKim Creed started its services on this project in May of 2022, and the school will be occupied with students starting next school year in August 2026. One of the exciting things about working at McKim Creed is being able to participate in projects like this. This new high school is one that's going to be here for years and impact generations of students in South Santa Rosa County. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of In the Field with McKim Creed. We will catch you next time.